The world of cryptocurrency is like the Wild West: big rewards, bigger risks, and no sheriff in sight. It's a place where fortunes can be made overnight, but just as easily, everything can vanish in the blink of an eye. The rules are still being written, and every day brings new opportunities and new dangers. Fortunes are made and lost in seconds, and the only thing standing between you and disaster is code. Every trade, every transaction, every digital wallet is protected by lines of programming, sometimes brilliant, sometimes flawed. Crypto promises freedom, your money, your rules, no banks, no middlemen, just you and your digital assets. It's a revolution in how we think about ownership and control, but that freedom attracts digital bandits. Hackers who exploit any weakness. They're always on the lookout for a loophole, a bug, or a moment of carelessness. These aren't old-school robbers, they're coders who can drain millions before anyone notices. Their weapons are algorithms, and their targets are digital vaults scattered across the globe. You might feel like a financial pioneer, blazing a trail into uncharted territory. But remember, pioneers are also the first to get ambushed, and the risks are real. The whole system relies on smart contracts, code that's supposed to be foolproof. These digital agreements are trusted to handle billions, but trust can be misplaced. But when it's not, clever attackers are ready to pounce. They wait for the smallest mistake, ready to exploit it in seconds. Billions have vanished due to security flaws, entire projects have collapsed, and investors have been left with nothing but regret. Developers build digital fortresses, and hackers hunt for cracks. It's a never-ending battle of wits, with fortunes hanging in the balance. One of the most devastating cracks? The infamous re-entrancy attack. A flaw that can open the door to catastrophic losses. Let's see why it's so dangerous, and how even the smartest code can sometimes be outsmarted. So, what's a smart contract? It's a term you'll hear a lot in the world of blockchain and crypto, but it can sound mysterious at first. Think of it as a vending machine for the internet. A digital system that automatically follows instructions, no questions asked. You put in crypto, press a button, and the code automatically delivers what you paid for. No middleman, no arguments, and no waiting for approval from anyone. Smart contracts are bits of code living on a blockchain that execute agreements. If you do X, it does Y. Everything is programmed in advance, so there's no room for confusion or negotiation. They're transparent, automatic, and unstoppable once running. Everyone can see the rules, and no one can secretly change them. This removes the need for banks, lawyers, or any trusted third party, just code enforcing the deal, 24/7, anywhere in the world. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the catch. If the code has a flaw, it's not just a free snack. It can become a jackpot for hackers, who can exploit mistakes in the code. A bug in a regular vending machine might cost a few bucks, maybe a lost soda or snack. But a bug in a smart contract can cost millions, draining entire accounts in seconds. One clever exploit, and someone can empty not just one machine, but the whole warehouse, wiping out funds from thousands of users at once. That's the risk when code is law. It's powerful, but it's only as trustworthy as the code itself. Enter the re-entrancy attack. Imagine a vending machine that lets you withdraw your deposit. The process: request withdrawal, get cash, update your balance. But what if, before the balance updates, you ask for another withdrawal? A malicious contract can do just that. Re-enter the withdrawal function before the balance changes. The machine thinks you still have money, so it keeps paying out. The attacker loops this trick, draining the machine over and over. The contract isn't being hacked in the traditional sense. It's just following its own flawed instructions. The attacker exploits the logic, not the lock. This is re-entrancy tricking the system into giving away everything, all by following the rules. It's a silent, devastating heist. Think this is just theory? Let's look at a real-world example that shook the entire crypto world. Meet the DAO. The DAO was a massive Ethereum project, over $150 million raised from thousands of investors, all pooled together to fund projects by community vote. It was hailed as the future of decentralized organizations, a bold experiment in collective decision-making and trustless technology. But in 2016, a hacker discovered a critical re-entrancy flaw in its smart contract code. This wasn't just a minor bug, it was a loophole that could be exploited to devastating effect. The attacker's contract called the withdrawal function over and over, draining $60 million in ether before anyone could react. The community watched in disbelief as the funds vanished in real time. The only way to fix the disaster? A highly controversial hard fork that rewound the blockchain to a point before the hack, essentially erasing the theft from history, but not without consequences. This decision split Ethereum into two separate chains, Ethereum, which reversed the hack, and Ethereum Classic, which kept the original record. The community was divided, and the debate over code is law raged on. The DAO hack wasn't just a loss of money. It shattered trust in smart contracts and proved that a single coding mistake can have catastrophic, far-reaching consequences for everyone involved, all because of one overlooked vulnerability buried deep in the code that no one caught until it was too late. The lesson? In crypto, code is law, and one bug, no matter how small, can rewrite history and change the fate of an entire ecosystem. So, how do you avoid disaster? Security audits. Not just a quick look from your techie friend. A real audit means expert hackers try to break your code before the bad guys do. Auditors hunt for vulnerabilities like re-entrancy, simulate attacks, and report every flaw. Developers fix the issues. Auditors verify the fixes. And this cycle repeats until the contract is solid. If the DAO had been properly audited, the flaw would have been caught and fixed. A few $1,000s on an audit could have saved $60 million. In crypto, a security audit isn't optional. It's essential. It's the best investment you can make to protect your project and your users. So why skip audits? Time and money. Teams rush to launch, thinking their code is perfect, and see audits as a delay. But launching without an audit is like leaving your vault open with a neon free money sign. Hackers are always watching, ready to pounce on unaudited contracts. When a project gets hacked, trust is destroyed, reputation's ruined, and the whole ecosystem suffers. Every unaudited disaster fuels the myth that crypto is just for scammers. The truth: a security audit is non-negotiable. If a project hasn't been audited, don't trust it with your money. Always ask, have you been audited? If not, walk away. In crypto, what you don't know can and will hurt you.